Hi, this is Nina Mueller, and I am one of the client service partners for your firm, responsible for providing ongoing training and support to you and your colleagues on the Bloomberg Tax platform. This video covers the transfer pricing resources available to you on Bloomberg Tax. From the international homepage, you will see the dedicated transfer pricing box a bit further down the page along the right. This houses the majority of the key content you will need as a transfer pricing professional. The Bedrock Analysis is the transfer pricing portfolio series, which is linked here at the top of the box. Like all of the portfolios on Bloomberg Tax, these are written by expert practitioners and provide a comprehensive, in-depth, and practical look at a particular topic or jurisdiction. The transfer pricing portfolios offer strategic guidance and analysis of various transfer pricing topics in the first half of the series, with portfolios dedicated to each topic. The second half offers jurisdiction-specific coverage, all written by an in-country transfer pricing expert and practitioner. There are 27 key jurisdictions that are covered here in the portfolios, and they are organized alphabetically. Whether you're looking for topical or jurisdiction-specific analysis, you can use the blue plus signs to the left of each portfolio to drill down into the analysis and the content that you're looking for. You can also leverage the search bar here at the top of the page, which changes based on the collection that you're within, to run keyword searches across, in this case, just the transfer pricing portfolios content. Going back to the international homepage, you'll also notice that we link the transfer pricing portfolio series under the expert analysis box here on the top left, giving you another entry point into this material. While we're here, I also want to quickly point out the Go to Country feature, which is right here on the left above the expert analysis box. This is a great way to jump into jurisdiction-specific coverage. For example, if I'm looking at the United Kingdom, I can select that jurisdiction, and this will give me a dedicated page with all of the UK content, including analysis, treaties, forms, news, and transfer pricing. Also take note of the search bar here, which has changed to reflect this jurisdiction and allows me to search across just the UK content. Going back to the international homepage and the transfer pricing box along the right-hand side, there are a couple other things that I want to point out. Just below the portfolio series is the transfer pricing report. This is a dedicated newsletter that covers all aspects of transfer pricing across the globe. You can access news articles directly here from the platform, but the real benefit is to subscribe and have this pushed out to you via email each morning. All transfer pricing practitioners should be signed up to receive this report to stay on top of key developments. You can subscribe here at the top below the search bar. All you have to do is select that, toggle on your highlights, and then you'll see you'll have the choice between editorial highlights, which includes holistic coverage of tax transfer pricing news, or you can personalize your highlights, which allows you to select specific topics and or countries here to allow you to get a little bit more specific into what you're focused on. Once you've made your selections, click Save, and that will go live. Returning to the homepage and the transfer pricing box once again, the third item I want to point out is the transfer pricing forum, which is below the transfer pricing report. This forum offers a comparative study of transfer pricing issues across 20 major industrial countries. The forum is released on a quarterly basis, and each issue focuses on a key topic with an in-country professional weighing in on that particular topic from each of the 20 countries that you see here. The latest issue is transfer pricing practices during COVID-19, but depending on when you watch this video, there may be additional issues that have been released. All of the archived issues are available here as well. You have the ability to go in by topic or to go in by a specific country. Once again, returning to the international homepage, a couple last things to point out in the transfer pricing box. You'll notice we have documents that track country-by-country reporting deadlines and master and local file information located here. Going up to the top of the page under the featured topics section here on the right, you will find Bloomberg Tax's BEPS tracker. This tracks all developments from all countries on each and every BEPS action and allows you to filter to the countries and the topics that are most valuable to you here on the left. We do have a filter for each BEPS action, including transfer pricing, and two separate filters for Action 13, one for country-by-country reporting, and then also the master and local file information. This tracker will give you an in-depth summary and timeline of events in the jurisdiction in question with links to the key resources that you need included. You can also use the search bars here, either summary or related content, to do a keyword search across the tracker. Once more, returning to the international homepage, also located here on the top right under the featured topics section is our mandatory disclosure and Doc6 roadmap. This provides a summary of mandatory disclosure rules for reportable cross-border arrangements, including those required by Doc6. Keep in mind this is a living and breathing document that is being updated in real time as developments occur. You'll see as I scroll that it's a logical and easy to read format, broken out by jurisdiction and various topics here along the top, with links to underlying material and further reading included. One last area for transfer pricing information that I want to highlight is the country guides collection. Returning to the international homepage, you'll find the country guides located here under additional analysis on the left-hand side of the page. We also have a corresponding country guides chart, which is located a little bit further down on the left under the practice tools. The country guides cover nearly every country in the world, with a commitment from Bloomberg Tax to have every single country covered soon. So depending on when you're watching this video, that expansion is either nearly complete or complete. The analysis is organized by world region and then by country. Keep in mind that each country has a standardized table of contents for easy navigation across jurisdictions. That means that Chapter 7 always covers the transfer pricing content, and there are 5 key topics across all of these countries that we cover. Chapter 8 includes the anti-avoidance rules, and this is where you'll find our Doc6 coverage for the affected countries. I want to take a moment to go into the corresponding chart builder, the country guides chart. So once again, the country guides, the analysis are located here, and a bit further down you'll see the country guides chart. This is incredibly useful for building out seamless cross-jurisdiction comparisons across those transfer pricing and anti-avoidance provisions. When you click into the chart, you'll see the customizable view, which allows you to pull in the countries and topics that you need. I'm going to select a couple here, and then we'll build out our topics. The easiest way to select topics is to use the search bar, but you can also just select all 5 transfer pricing policies topics in one fell swoop. From there, you'll create your chart. This is going to give you a great cross-jurisdiction view with analysis in each box and links to the full analysis for that jurisdiction at the bottom of each of the boxes. You can export this chart to Excel or save it to your workspace, which is a dynamic folder that is stored right here on the platform. This brings us to the end of our quick video. Keep in mind there are support resources at the bottom of any page on the platform. Our 24/7 help desk is located here in the bottom left, slightly obscured by my face bubble, but we have a number, an email, and a live chat that you can reach out to. We also have a professional learning portal that offers complimentary CPE-eligible webinars on a host of key topics. You can access that here at the bottom. Lastly, for additional support, you can reach out to myself, Nina Mueller, at amuller@bloombergindustry.com to coordinate. I am more than happy to connect one-on-one or answer questions via email. You'll notice there's also a collection of video tutorials here in the bottom under Help. Thank you for watching.